GM. Welcome to the fourth part of our playlist. Now we have learned the basics and intermediate level of stuff and got good understanding. So now let's talk about security consideration in Move. So the first one would be gas optimization. Every transaction on chain costs gas. If your code is not optimized, transaction could become too expensive. This not only hurts user but also open the door to denial of service attack where contract become unusual. So always write efficient code. Second one would be reentrancy prevention. In many blockchain, reentrancy attack are a big concern. But in Move, the resource module give us strong protection since resources cannot be duplicated or implicitly dropped. It's much harder for attacker to exploit reentrancy. Now let's talk more about one more thing, which is formal verification. So this is one of the strongest part of Move. We can mathematically prove that critical part of a smart contract behave correctly. This means fewer bugs, fewer exploit, and more confidence in our code. Now let's see one more concept, how storage works in Sui. Sui always follow object-centric global storage, which means unlike traditional blockchain that rely on a single global storage, Sui eliminates it. Instead of this, what Sui does, we introduce an object-centric model where every piece of data lives inside object with unique IDs. This design allows parallel processing and a way better scalability. So now let me give you an example of Ethereum. What Ethereum does? Ethereum has a global storage with a big key value store. Instead of this global storage, what Sui does, Sui will have many objects. Many objects like 1, 2, 3, 4, each with unique IDs. So this is a key difference between one single global storage and there are multiple storage objects where we can store things. Now we have seen some security consideration, storage out data stores. Let's talk about testing. Let me give you a quick review of writing how do you write a test case, a unit test case. So let's write a module, which is move playground. Then colon, let's give a module name testing. Now inside it, I'm using the hashtag square bracket test. So what this does, this attribute which tells a Move that, oh, this is a function, it's a unit test. The first test is very simple. We add 2 plus 2 and then use assert to check if the result is 4. If the condition is failed, the test will throw an error. So let's write a function simple test. Now let sum equal to 2 plus 2. Now let's write assert exclamation is sum equal to 4. So why this is error? Yeah. So save. Now let's test this. Does 2 plus 2 equal to 4? So yeah, my first test case is passed 1, and if I write 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then I will give no equal to 6. Now let's see, will my test case pass? No, this will going to fail, right? 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So this is how we write test cases according to your business logic. And in the next part, let's build a dApp where we will write whole contract and connect that contract with the front end. And I believe this is the best way to understand Move and Swing. So see you in the next part.